Hey, Freedom Stackers. Welcome to week 1 through 5 of the $10 a week stacking challenge. Hey, Freedom Stackers.
So I just heard from watching Spectacular, the Silver Stacular, that Coin Guy is actually at a coin show here in Homosassa. So I think I know where it is. I believe it's on 19, almost to Crystal River. So that's only about 5 miles. This should be fun.
Before I show you what I got from Guy, let's go ahead and open up a piece of community mail. Let's get into it. Today's package came from the Paisley and Daddy show. I'm sure most of you know who Paisley and Daddy are. Awesome show. If the boss has her way, Daddy's going to be broke here in no time. She always wants to give away the entire house. If you end up winning something from their channel, jeez. Yeah, I don't know what happened to my knife, so I'm kind of using a letter opener. And when there's tape, it doesn't really work all that good. But you know everything's safe. Goodness. They didn't want to let that go there, Daddy. Or Sheldon. That's Daddy's name. If you didn't know. Oh, yeah. Chuck! I won a Boomba Shoot Surprises. Collecting and stacking with Sheldon. Awesome, brother. Awesome. Chuck! That's awesome. All right, we got a congratulations, Freedom Stacker Boomba Shoots from Paisley and Daddy. It's a 1944 Washington quarter. See, we got donated by Dennis Stewart. Brother Dennis! Boomba Shoots! We got a Mercury dime. A 1944 Mercury dime. And we got a 2019 Guam W quarter. Is that War in the Pacific? Yeah, so War in the Pacific. Huh. So I got a 1944 quarter and I got a 1944 dime, and I got a War in the Pacific quarter, and that happened in 1944. I think that's a prize pack right there. That's a pretty awesome prize pack right there. That's history right there. Chuck! Alright, just got back from the coin show and seeing Guy. Let's see what I got for my $10 a week challenge. Started by Millennial Stacker. If you guys don't know who Millennial Stacker is, y'all should go check him out. He releases a video pretty much every day, and they're all premieres. So you can hang out and visit with everybody in the community and see what everybody's up to every morning. Let's see what I got so far. With $50 for $10 for every week in October, I ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 half dollars. 5 of them are Walking Liberty. All of them are 1943. Don't see a mint mark. Don't see a mint mark on that one either. Or that one. Or that one. Or that one. So it looks like I got 5 1943 Philadelphia Walking Liberty, and I got 1 1951 1951 Philadelphia. So even if you save aside $10 a week till you can make it to the coin shop, even if you can only make it to the coin shop once a month, you can start adding to your stack a little bit at a time. And as you can see, even 1 month's worth adds up. Put it in my $10 a week box. Only you can make your stacking goals your stacking realities. For more stacking and collecting fun like this, check out this playlist. Hit that thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please do. Hit that bell. That way you'll know when my new videos come out. Hit me up through email, on Facebook or Instagram, link in my About page. And as always, keep stacking and I'll see you in the next one.